Hello, and welcome to Mr. Doctor's weekly message blog for the week of May 22nd, 2017. In this week's weekly message, we are going to discuss the events which have happened at North Johnston Middle School as well as within our classroom over the past week. We are also going to detail the events which are coming up over the next few weeks to round out the remainder of the school year. Let's start with talking about what has happened at North Johnston Middle School as well as within our classroom over the past week. On Monday of last week, we started on World War II review within our classroom. Also, at the end of the day on Monday of last week, any student who met the Yankee Candle Initiative had their reward celebration at the end of the day on Monday of last week. On Tuesday in our class, we completed the World War II review. On Wednesday, we started the Cold War review within our class. Also on Tuesday, during our lunch times, students who met the Yankee Candle Initiative got to go on a limo ride, and according to those students, it was an awesome experience had by those students. On Thursday in class, our students completed the Cold War review unit. Also on Thursday, our athletes had their athletic banquet to wrap up athletics for the school year. On Friday, we started economics, and that wrapped up last week. On Monday of this upcoming week, we are going to finish up any economics topic that we need to in class on Monday. Also, on Tuesday, we will start the USA test prep post-test. Now, as I've told you in class, the USA test prep post-test is the exact same as the pre-test, and it's going to show the social studies teachers what you know going into North Carolina final exam. On Wednesday, you will finish the USA test prep post-test in class. Also on Wednesday, all of our middle school students will have a dry run of the EOGs before the next day. This helps the students as well as the teachers understand where the students are supposed to go, the materials that they need, and the expectations that we expect at North Johnston Middle School going into the EOGs in the next few days. On Thursday, we have the EOG in reading, which should take all morning. On Friday, we will have the EOG in math, and like the EOG in reading, it will also probably take all morning. That gets us to the end of next week. On Monday of the following week, reminder that our students will not be in school due to the holiday. Tuesday, any student who was not there on Thursday and Friday to complete the EOG in reading or math will complete it on Tuesday of the following week. On Wednesday and Thursday is when our big days come. On Wednesday is the North Carolina final exam in social studies, and on Thursday is the North Carolina final exam in science. Now, there's going to be a second blog post of four to five of my students out of one class. They wanted to do a blog post this week, and I gave them a lot of room to say and do what they wanted to in it. So you're going to see a lot of music. You're going to see some mess ups, but I just told them to go with it. So enjoy both posts that have happened this week. Reminder that we only have a few weeks left before summer and before the end of the year. This is an important time during the school year. Stay focused, work hard, NCFEs, EOGs coming up. This is the most important time of the school year. So remember, as we always wrap up the blog post with, make it a great day or not, the choice is always yours.